5-6. Ancheta goes middle.
Yeah, with that exclamation attack from the middle again. Just asking the ball from Ancheta. It's a good game changer.
Diba, dahil
Yes.
sila yung lamang dito, they could be dictating the pace of this game. Looks like sila yung naghahabol sa simula pa lang ng set. Right now, obviously, they are playing catch-up. This is now the biggest lead of NU in the match. 6 yung pinakamalaking lamang nila kanina sa set 2. A block!
Another one from Joy Diao there. Cross court there was anticipated already by Choi Diao.